Hello friends, today's topic, as profits in companies go up, market cap too. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In stock markets, in the short term, stocks may go up for various reasons such as overall market positive sentiment, global cues, hype in a particular sector, and many other reasons which may have no connection to the fundamentals of a company. Currently, this is what is happening in the market with a large number of stocks. However, in the long term, a stock cannot keep rallying for a long time without the business fundamentals of the company supporting it. Motilal Oswal Financial Services has done a study on how net profits has increased and how the market cap in the last 5 years between 2019 and 24. Various sectors net profit and market cap increased 2019 to 2024. 1. Automobiles. Net profit going up 24%. Market cap going up 22%. 2. Banking and financial services 36% up and 15% up in terms of market cap. 3. Capital goods. Net profit up 9%. Market cap up 22%. 4. Cement. Net profit of business CAGR 14%. Market cap CAGR 21%. 5. Consumer. Net profit business CAGR going up in 5 years 2019 to 24 13%. Market cap CAGR 2019 to 24 11%. 6. Healthcare. Net profit of business CAGR going up 21% and market cap CAGR 24%. 7. Logistics. Net profit business CAGR going up by 15%, market cap going up by 30%. 8. Metals. 8% net profit going up and market cap CAGR 20%. 9. Oil and gas. Net profit business CAGR going up 13%, market cap CAGR 17%. 10. Retail. Net profit of business CAGR 2019 to 24 20% up, market cap CAGR 2009 to 24 27%. 11. Technology. Net profit business CAGR going up by 7%, market cap CAGR 15%. 12. Telecom. Market cap CAGR 2019 to 24 40% up. 13. Others. Net profit business CAGR going up by 34%, market cap CAGR going up by 86%. This is all per annum. Observations and comments regarding this particular video. 1. As you observe, between 2019 and 24, certain sectors' business profits increased more than the market cap, stock price increase. The sectors in which the above happened are banking and financial services, consumer, automobile. 2. On the other hand, the other sectors had a lower increase in net profit compared to the market cap. The sectors in which there was significant difference between net profit growth, market cap growth are capital goods, cement, logistics, metals, retail and others. 3. Usually the stocks in sectors which have not performed as well as growth in profit will catch up with the underperformance, and usually the stocks which are appreciated much more than the fundamentals consolidate or stagnate for some time. 4. So watch out for leading stocks in sectors which have underperformed in the last 5 years. There is usually a sector rotation every few years. 5. It is extremely difficult to hold stocks which are not performing well even when the fundamentals are good and improving. Most of the time, stocks will reward investors in the long term even if they underperform for many months or years. So if you are confident of some stocks and its future potential, don't lose patience easily unless you doubt it will improve in the future too. This is why stock market is not a science where it has to perform in the short term as per our expectations. Our investments may not perform as expected for many years even when we have picked good stocks in our portfolio. But as long as your approach is correct, you will end up with satisfactory or good results in the long term. End of the video, here is the question. Have you lost patience in any stock and sold it? And to only see later it appreciated a lot after selling? Type the name of the stock. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.